And before we get you the reactions that we have from leaders from J&K specifically, there is a response now coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Remember, a short while ago, we saw a post by Congress Party's Jairam Ramesh, who had questioned the Prime Minister, brought up the Manipur issue once again, and had taken a Vishwagyani dig at the Prime Minister. Now, BJP has reacted to this. BJP upping the ante against the Congress Party. Ravi Shankar Prasad of the BJP saying that Congress needs to think beyond Manipur. Listen in.
Congress Party needs to come out beyond Manipur. Manipur is a sensitive area. All of us need to work together. Going on. Let Congress Party stop stoking fire in the cauldron of Manipur. All of us should collectively join. Manipur समस्या सुधरनी चाहिए, कोशिश चल रही है, लेकिन खाली मणिपुर का राग और बाकी पर खामोशी ये भी तो ठीक नहीं है ना.
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Niyamika, now this is clearly becoming a big political issue because it's not the first time that the Congress Party brought the issue of Manipur, linking it to either Prime Minister's visit to a country abroad or having a conversation with the leader of another country. And this time we're talking about his phone call with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu.
Indeed, as the Congress Party has been continuously questioning about this entire matter from the BJP and specifically targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whether about his abroad tours or as he has just now spoken to the Israeli Prime Minister. And for that reason, the Congress Party has once again rigged up this entire matter, as the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has mentioned that why Prime Minister Narendra Modi doesn't have time to speak about the issues which are related to the state of Manipur or the Chinese incursion along the LAC. And for that reason, now Jairam Ramesh has said that on one side, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to project an image of a Vishwa Guru, but he doesn't have time or even concerns regarding to the matters which are related to the their own state, the states of our own country. And for that reason, now he has once again said that the continuous violence which is being there in the state of Manipur or the Chinese incursion which is being done along the LAC, all of these matters needs to be addressed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that's the only reason why the Congress Party has been continuously questioning the moves of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP government. On the other side, we have seen that how a counter has come on the side of the BJP, as they have also said that the Congress Party needs to come out of Manipur, as the government is also trying to resolve this entire crisis which is currently going on in the state.
And earlier on the issue of Manipur, we also heard from the Army Chief. Niyamika, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on the story. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. More news and updates on Breaking Ground on the other side. Stay with us.